And you're trying to get to the pain point to where you can ask them, what prompted their call. What if they are stuck on the price?
Mm-hmm.
I just want to know the price. Yeah, that's fine. How much do you cost? And they're really stuck on it. So do you go and give them the cost, or do you try to kind of push it back a little bit?
Yeah, so Derek, when you say how much does it cost, did you have a specific budget in mind of where you were trying to be?
I'm just curious on what it might be.
Mm-hmm. Was there a number, like if you worked with us, is there a number that you need to stick around, like that you've set for your budget?
I don't want to spend more than, $200 a month.
200 a month. Okay, got it. Hold on. Sorry, I didn't have my, guys, two most important tools, sword and shield. Got it. On that, I've written it down, on that 200 a month, just out of curiosity, when you set that budget, based on what other solution that you're using right now, other solutions that you're looking at, or what you had expected to pay?
I'm really didn't think too much about that. It's just, what my friends and, some of my family members kind of threw a number at me, said you don't want to spend more than that.
Yeah.
I'm just new to this. So
totally makes sense. And I get it. And I've written it down on the 200. If we could, Derek, what I'd like to do is I'd like to ask you a couple questions about like what's most important to you, what's your biggest reason for reaching out to us. I've got it written down that we need to stay around 200. Once I know what's going on with your current situation, I can look at all the solutions that we have. And again, I'm talking blanket here because I don't even know what product we're talking about, but listen to how this flows. I can find a solution. I'm going to try and get as close to that 200 as possible. If for some reason I can't help you, once I know your situation, I'll be honest, embarrassingly enough, this is what I nerd out on. Digital marketing is kind of my life. If we can't help you, if we don't have something that's in that range, I can make some recommendations, kind of point you in the right direction, save you a bunch of time. Fair enough?
Okay.
What's most important to you with it? Now, we can stop the role play here, but you see how now I've redirected you, all right? But notice this, because here's what I did. And I want to make sure I'm crystal clear on something. I'm not old school sales training of like, I can't give you a price. But I'm a hybrid. I'm a hybrid between, I can't give you a price until you tell me this and give me the keys to your vehicle, or whatever those garbage salespeople were taught, right? But I'm also not, hey, we're $700. Okay, thanks, bye. Because I have to realize I have to save Derek from himself. So when you say, I just want to know the price, I'm going to skillfully, because I'm a CMSC, I'm a Certified Master Sales Consultant, I'm going to skillfully go, got it, sounds like you had a budget in mind. What was that budget? Because I know that a budget cannot exist unless it's compared to something. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here. Check it out. You're going to see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's going to give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income, or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence. But it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're going to see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also going to have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're going to see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.